Hello friends, welcome to Arshad Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see Adani Port's latest updates. Friends, I already mentioned whenever a share gives nearly 30 to 40% in short time like 1 month and continue upper circuits, we can sell and come out of the stock with your profits. So friends, this what happened in Adani Ports also. Within short time it given nearly 30 to 40% and it again fell back nearly 15%. See here, Adani Ports shares down 14% in 2 days as market fears a slump in global trade and Myanmar issue denting its image. So friends, there is an issue with Myanmar port area which was taken by Adani Ports from military. So that's one of the allegation rises by military of Myanmar as it is violating the rules. And going forward, the same thing happened last year in Australia also, that near seabeds it constructed a coal handling plant which faces similar issue, and SBI Bank also faced some issues with providing loans for that coal handling plant. So friends, see here, nearly it fall 14% in 2 days. And what this article shows is one of the reason that Dow Jones sustainability index says that they are going to remove Adani Ports from its indices. Why? Because of this global issues are the one major thing for this decision taken by Dow Jones. And the next thing is going forward, the controversy on Myanmar. Just see friends, what is that? S&P scraps Adani Ports from its indices as its analysis triggered by recent news events pointed to highlighting risks to the company regarding the commercial relationship with Myanmar military, who are alleged to have committed serious human abuse under international law. So this is one thing that the company share fallen. And next one is see here, Australian Centre of International Justice and activist group Justice for Myanmar had also called on India's National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange to take cognizance of the allegations. So this is what I mentioned earlier, that these two companies, like these two organizations, taken some initiatives and talking with Indian governments and globally about this issue, and they are taking some forward steps to protect nature. So this is what taken Adani Ports on negative side. And see here, allegations about this is the Adani Ports company planning largest private port operations in India. This already know. See here, and it has a plan to build $290 million port in Yangon on land that it leased from Myanmar Economic Corporation. That means it's like SAGES. In India we call industrial SAGES, like that, right? It is also one of the economic corporation where they given land for operations for their port areas. So the military members mentioned there is a problem lies with Myanmar military. They are stating that they are accusing that it violating human rights. So they are expecting the coup led to be death of at least 700 people. So with this, the total negative news on Adani Ports on globally leads to its removal from Dow Jones indices. So the major thing came officially. So that's why the share fallen, and we can expect further some share fallen in these movements. If Maharashtra government given a lockdown, then we can think that there will be some business slowdown. So we can expect further fall in Adani ports, friends. So friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.